beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another delicious cooking. In this video I will be showing you how to cook this original Ofe Akwu, aka Banga stew. This is an authentic Nigerian cuisine. We are in the era of cooking and showcasing Nigerian food. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your post notification for more videos. So I will be using various protein for this Ofe Akwu. I'm starting with beef. I'm going to season it lightly seasoned, just salt, onion and seasoning cubes, and I will let it cook in its own juice. It is best that you cook your protein in its own juice first. Even if you're going to add water, you can add it later. So while that is cooking, I'm going ahead to prepare the ingredients that I'll be using for this delicious Banga stew. Banga stew calls for a lot of dry fish, and I cleaned these ones already. Well, I'm cleaning it here and deboning it, and I went back to just check on the beef, see all the liquid that has come out of the beef. I did not add any water. This was enough to cook the beef. While the beef is cooking, I'm going ahead to show you all the ingredients I'll be using for this Banga stew. And I will grind it. And this is crayfish, a little bit of crayfish. It is mackerel, grilled mackerel. I love grilled mackerel a lot. And because I'm not in Nigeria, I don't have access to fresh scent leaf. This one is frozen scent leaf. It still has the flavor. It's not as flavorful as fresh scent leaf. So if you can get your hand on fresh scent leaf, that would be better. This is fresh basil. I just washed it. That's why it looks like this. I washed it now, so it's clean. This is stockfish bits. I will not be using all of this. And this is dried fish. I just cleaned and deboned the dry fish. And I'll be using onion. I might use 2 onions, but I'll be using red onion. This is seasoning cube, not seasoning cubes. I'll be using 4 of that. And this is palm cream concentrate. This is concentrated palm cream. I will also thin it out with hot water. But these are the main ingredients that I'll be using, plus the beef, a little bit of the beef. I will not be using all the beef, but this is looking good. Let's go ahead. I will also be using kale. I will also add some kale. So this is what palm fruit concentrate looks like. This is made from palm nuts. The same thing you use in making palm oil. Instead of refining it into palm oil, you take it this way, it becomes palm fruit concentrate. There are different brands, but this is the brand that I've always used. Yeah. And what you have to do, as you're seeing me do here, is that you have to thin this out. You want it to be in a liquid form. Obviously you're not going to be able to eat it like that, but the main one other reason why you want to thin it out like this is because you want to decant it. There are a lot of hard parts that will be within this palm nut concentrate. If you don't thin it out and decant it, when you're eating your delicious Ofe Akwu, aka Banga stew, you might be biting into hard shell, and that is not a good it's not pleasant to do so. So you're going to see when I'll be decanting it, some of the bits or palm nut bits that will be concentrated on the bottom of this pot. So once I finish that, I will add all the ingredients. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe for more awesome, wholesome videos, especially cooking videos. We're in the era, like I say, of showcasing authentic Nigerian food and other food as well. I'm just gonna let it settle a little bit. See? You see? That is what you don't want. This. You don't want that. Alright. We're going to let it cook. I'll cover it and I'll come back to it. So I let it come to a boil. As you can see, very boiling. The oil will start to form on top. You know that it's ready for you to start adding all the seasoning, and I'm just going to add almost all the seasoning that I showed you here, just one at a time. So most of the ingredients here are a must for Banga stew, Ofe Akwu, okay? It calls for a lot of dry fish. It gives it a distinct flavor. And this scent leaf is also a must, okay? If you have it, if you can get your hands on it, especially if it's the fresh one, you need it. You also need basil, or we call curry in Nigeria. But when it comes to your protein, you can use any protein of your choice. You can use beef, you can use fish, you can use a combination of it as well. But you need to season your banga stew very, very well. I tell you, the smell in your kitchen, okay, when you're cooking this, all your neighbors will know. If you live in a communal society like in Nigeria, your neighbors will be coming for lunch or dinner because this Ofe Akwu is very delicious. Now it comes with a lot of oil. When you're done, you can always scoop out some of this oil because the oil is a lot. Let's check back on our stew. Oh, see that it is looking very good. Lots and lots of basil. This stew does not take so long to cook once you have all your ingredients prepared, and I'm telling you, it's more delicious than the popular Nigerian tomato stew. The taste and the smell is out of this world. If you're new to Nigerian cuisine and you have not tried Ofe Akwu, follow this recipe step by step and you will
yummy delicious.
It is very, very delicious and easy to cook. We've come to the end. If you have not given this video a thumbs up, tell me, what are you waiting for? Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye bye.